G'day, Ross from AVO Turbo World. I'm in our Project GT7. Today we're going to look at what you need to access the factory ECU on your GT7. The first thing you'll need is a Crosstrek 2.0 cable. This is around about $165. The second thing you'll need is ECU software. This is by Subaru Edit. So once you've downloaded the Subaru software from ECU Edit, you'll go to Flash Utility. Then once you've got into Flash Utility, you need to select the year model type of the vehicle. So in this case, we're using Subaru FB20. Then you read the information of the factory ECU. You'll need to switch the ignition on the vehicle. Once the ignition's on, you connect the open port interface cable and turn the ignition on, then hit the OK button. Then what comes up next is the ECU ID. This ECU ID is very important to us if you're going to buy an AVO turbo kit or our headers, where we can supply a tune map for you. This is the information we need. So in this case, the ECU ID is XH3J2B01. This is what we need on the email. Next, we'll get it on the dyno and we'll see how we go.